applesauce talk.
We got a new fan guy. We got the manifold here. This manifold is actually Mark's.
I ordered it January 1st. My goal was like, you know what? 2023 comes around, I'm trying to be boosted. So I said, bet. They said in stock. But you know, when you see it in stock, I go, bet, I get it. Knowing that for our motor, it has to be fabricated in stock. I ordered it January 1st. Not a lot of y'all did not get it January 31st. I didn't get it February 15th. Damn sure I didn't get it March 3rd, March 15th. You feel me? So you get where I'm going with this right now, right? Like,
my shit still ain't here. So they gave me the tracking number, right? They told me they was gonna ship it. After I'm calling every week, they told me they was gonna ship my shit for like 2 weeks, tried to cancel my order. They wouldn't let me cancel my order for a week plus. I took it upon myself to cancel my order. I told them to return it, I don't want it no more. It was just a principle, that's not how you run a business. That shit wasn't right, bro. There was no lead time on the website. Every time I called, it just sounded like they didn't want to talk to me.
you kind of want to make sure your part is getting made or whatever you're doing is in the process of getting shipped, you know? It's a custom part, it's gonna take some time. You should expect it soon. They love saying that.
They said that every single week, like for months.
Bro, funny because I clicked that tracking number, didn't exist at all. So then when we're getting closer to actually shipping the package, they sent me another tracking number just to silence me. It was just created. Any company who gives you a tracking number, it does not take long for a part like this just to get carried in a car. I didn't see any type of like, oh, it's been delivered to like UPS or like any facility to get shipped. I was like, bro, it's all good.
Oh my God.
They literally were just like holding the part. So of course I was like, nah, bro, like something's gotta give. Like it's either we cancel something. It's an actual company, dog. They couldn't give me a solid answer. They didn't want to speak to their customers. For me, like I said, I'm still months out from being able to boost my car. I even went about canceling my order. I put a dispute in. It wasn't so much of like, yo, that guy's a stand-up guy, bro. Like he's making this like AC right now, bro.
I'm gonna lie, he dropped the temperature about 4 degrees.
Nah, no cap. I'm not gonna hold you, bro. That company's just terrible, bro. Like, being professional, like, nah, I didn't even work it, bro. It's here. 4 months later, though.
4 months later, bro. That being said, I got a Sidewinder. Turn back on. Mark, you the fan guy. Hold up.
It's on one! I
got you.
Oh my gosh, hold up, bro. Come here.
Damn.
Alright.
Alright, guess I'll be the camera guy.
Better get this shit right.
Alright, bro.
Oh yeah, I got a Sidewinder. I don't know where I got it from. This isn't mine. This is actually Mark's.
Oh, shit. What's up, guys?
That's Mark. Well, this one's actually a T3 with a 44mm wastegate. That is what I had originally ordered, but I canceled my order because they were taking too long. So this is actually a manifold for a K24Z. It works for the Z3 and the Z7. This attaches to the back of the head, and the piping routes up into the engine bay, and it's a Sidewinder. It sits right on the side of your engine. Turbo will not be sitting behind the engine anymore. Finally gonna have the turbo in the engine bay. I'm really excited about that. I think I'm gonna get it powder coated. Definitely not telling you how to color yet though. So this one's a T3. This is the correct size. I actually ended up buying mine off of somebody. They labeled it as a T3, but it was actually a T4. This flange was a lot bigger than this. It wasn't going for my turbo, so I had my fat guy turn a T4 into a T3. Doing the manifold real quick, just to see what it looked like type shit. They ain't even screw it in. Bro, look at this. You just imagine this looking straight on in the engine bay.
And you see that, Jared?
It's like a cylindrical tunnel.
Spell cylindrical, nigga.
And when it works with the E equal MC squared of your mama booty fat.
Look how crazy that shit is gonna look, bro. This is the front of the engine, so obviously without the intake manifold and everything, but shit's gonna sit right there, bro. That shit gonna look crazy, fam. Oh. Damn, bro. There's no space for me to lean back and use my body weight.
Nah, fam. There ain't none of that.
So ass, bro. Reposition it, bro.
Oh,
just have you drop it this side over. Damn, let's have this my fault. Muscling that shit, hold up. Yo! Yeah, just like that, bro. Yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good shit, bro.
Are you feeling like that? You gotta come to the fan. Well, come on. Got you, fam.
You snorted creatine?
He snorted creatine before this. I saw
Yo, that more is heavy. Empty and all that.
Hey, bro, don't get off the subject. Don't cap, but you be sniffing creatine, nigga.
I be drinking that shit raw.
Tree time.
With all that being said, we got the Sidewinder. Even though we had some disagreements with the company, it's still a great product. It's the only Sidewinder manifold, the K24Z, that I know of, at least on the market right now. They won't be getting my business no more, that's for sure though. T3 flange, stainless steel. I think the whole thing's stainless steel. And for those of you asking the name of the company, this is the only Sidewinder manifold for a 9th gen out right now. If you can't figure it out, so be it. If you know, you know. I'm gonna just leave it at that. For me, I'm not even finna name the company. I'm gonna have my fab guy workhorse welding, change this 44mm flange into a 60 in order to help with the Sidewinder boost creep. He does great work. If you're in the Orlando area, go ahead and hit him up with some custom fab work. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of his work on the screen. He does really good work, bro. Spicy, bro.
But you got some other shit, boy. This shit smell cleaner than this, boy. That boy SNS Vision, that boy the sticker man. Step out, design, all that shit. That's him.
It's tough.
I saw that boy took pictures. He said, I'm gonna do something.
Oh, that boy wearing a t-shirt too. What? You know what's coming over?
Oh, shit. I didn't even pee.
You know
No
what's
cap.
coming over?
No, don't cap. You know how to be wearing up there like.
Today we got the R40 valve cover from our old engine. So as you guys can see, the valve cover is disgusting, bro. Look at this. I mean, this is terrible. All this shit. I don't know what this is, bro. But we gotta get rid of all of this. Pretty cool because we're using parts from the original motor on the new motor we're about to put in the car. So by doing that, a piece of this motor will always be with the new motor. So pretty dope. But yeah, we about to strip these down with some premium stripper. Why they called it that? We're just gonna spray this on, leave it for 15 minutes, and it should eat up all the old paint that's on the valve cover and the intake manifold.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
So they told me spray it on, wait 15 minutes. That shit is really eating up the paint. After about 20 hours of scrubbing, all of the paint came off, both of them. I'm not gonna tell y'all what color we're gonna do everything yet, but just know we're gonna be powder coating everything, man. Comment down below what color you think I'm gonna paint the valve cover and what color I'm gonna powder coat the intake manifold.
According to Batmobile, he said, you feel me? Get the Batmobile. I said, Terry, you'll be running ether, your shit. He said, yeah. So look.
Oh shit, good looking, fam.
I'm gonna lie, you need a passenger with too, fam. I know you know how to use that clutchy, boy.
Yo, what's good, bro? What is good?
Fixing my fam.
Fam.
I had a wedge,
You
bro.
can't tell right now you got a Popeye biscuit, no bev, obviously, ayo.
In my
Ate
throat.
a Popeyes biscuit with no bev. What are you doing?
It's stuck in my throat, bro. I got the bev in there. Any bev in a clear bottle that's not clear is a good bev.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the car. Yeah, you're not fucking driving anywhere, sir. What's going on, fam?
You got the Butte too, kid?
What you got in your cup, bro?
That fucking potion, nigga. Can't even see the cup.
Why?
That's that fucking potion.
sense.
That's a fucking potion, nigga. Yeah. What's up, man? I'm gonna call you, see what you're on.
Disease unite. You know I walk around with my bootay, bro.
Type shit.
We real Haitians, bro.
Nah, I just started working full time. Fuck it. I ain't gonna lie. It got me stressing. Well, I was like, damn, I got my groceries, got my gas. I sent something off at the post office. I said, I might as well grab my bottle. Fuck it. This car meat better be lit, though.
I'm gonna pop out in the mirror. What type of event we going to that you popping out like this,
We outside. I'm expecting a press conference. Oh, you're in Corey Rice video, so I can't be bummy though.
Okay.
They say you pulled something else out. It's still stick.
Boy, Terrell getting me right, bro. He out of town right now. He in New York. And let me try to whip.
It's like a fucking rocket ship, bro. I ain't gonna lie, he went crazy with the Rohana though.
That's the best fit I ever seen this boy have. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, he's sick though.
That shit graduated from dump.
That's why we dropping that shit.
Yeah. Hey.
Hey, so that shit.
You know I in the back. Hold up.
So double tap the airlift.
The middle?
Yeah, double tap it. There it is.
Oh shit, guys.
Yes, sir. And then when you're going down, you just press the hold.
Long blinker fluid.
So you go down, and then this if you want to raise up all four, like you just jump them off. So that.
Alright, let's go right height then. Confusing that shit.
I'm not gonna lie. Yeah.
Nigga just pressing buttons, bro.
Smooth. It's gonna be a real good night out.
This nigga Terrell said he left the tank full, so we gonna give it to him as close to empty as possible. Where's my free can? Yo, this shit telling me I'm gonna crash, bro. What the fuck?
Was that a sub?
Blowing out his cat. That's his cat's blowing out. You seen that shit?
Yo.
You gotta throw this engine pool up, bro.
Whoa. That boy got Charizard. Put in the bed, tuck him away.
Man, he's shitting on niggas this trunk. I'm not gonna lie. Tail lights go crazy. Fit me go crazy. I need to throw a K-Series in one of these, bro. Light ass shit. That shit go go.
That shit gonna scoop.
VQ all life, man. My life is VQ, bro. You fucking with the mismatched paint or nah? Hell yeah, I'm fucking with the mismatched paint.
Fuck with
It's VQ. You can't do nothing wrong to a VQ, bro.
Oh,
shit. Even if you have 6 different colors on there, taste the rainbow. Skittles, nigga.
I wanna go home.
This is old.
We're coming as the K20C1, right?
Let's go. These are so wide. I love that. Bro. I'm static as hell. Look at the rear.
Chill. Nah, this color's tough. All these pastel colors, this shit be fire.
Go crazy on the couch.
Who's this guy think he is, bro? Who you think you are, nigga? Put your window down, nigga. Put your window down, nigga. What are you doing in there? I'm telling you, he's not on air, bro. He ain't airing out. Oh, his homie aired out? Hold on. I'm not talking about that car. I'm talking about that car. I'm talking about the other car. I'm talking about the other car, nigga.
I know a bad car.
Let's watch, bro.
I know a bad car when I see it.
Let's watch, bro. Why you ain't out here, bro?
I know a bad
Why he ain't
car.
air out yet, though?
He's just shaking his wheel.
Why
Watch
he
this.
Mark, I'm just saying I'm waiting, Mark. And he's getting out the car, bro. He ain't air out, bro. Mark, he's not on air, Mark. He's not on. Ain't no.
See, look, I made you look though.
That shit clean, bro.
Oh, give me that bag. Damn, nigga, I had bags, nigga.
Damn.
I know bag fit me when I see it.
I
know bag fit when I see it. Respect.
Yo, that paint's sparkling. You seen that shit sparkling, right?
Yeah, that shit dancing.
Yeah.
About to get a diamond test on that boy. Shit.
Uh-oh. Oh, man.
Let's get in there. I smell straight sock.
Nah, that shit just hit me.
Your plug, gang.
I hear a Beamer. Yeah, that was a Beamer. Woo. Oh, Fred need a vibe, bro.
Hey, bro, we talking, bro. But listen, now that grown man talking and shit, I just want you to know when you get back on the street, fam, no riding shit. I don't care if it's a fucking Prius, run his ass. I don't give a fuck.
I hate Prius
Hey, I don't
drivers,
give a
bro.
fuck.
If you're a Prius driver, yo, my boy was goody. Oh, he changed his name up on Tiguan Papi.
His car. Oh, all right. Hey, you don't know Corey?
You gonna know me next year. Yeah.
You know Corey, right? Right here, bro.
Oh shit. Damn, fam. See that? I see that. Bumbleclad. Yo. Nigga feeling nice, huh? That's that lean wall, nigga. Boy got a lean with the wall. Yeah. Boy got that potion. What you know about pulling up? It barely chug. Lady pulling up. I could take cinematics for y'all, but the car's been in the same spot for 12 months, so. Oh, that's the fuck, Yo, fam. You know, no, he going to my whip. Corey, what you doing? Bro, what you want me to do? Bro. You gonna go in the whip, Corey, bro? Yo. He went to get cooked up in there and he touched the exhaust. But we're gonna have cooked frog legs tonight. Glazed frog legs.